Hello everyone. So the question is 250 ml of a waste solution obtained from a workshop of a goldsmith contains 0.1 moles of AgNO3 and zero point 0.1 moles of AuCl. The solution was electrolyzed at 2 volts by passing a current of 1 ampere for 15 minutes. The metals electrode deposited will be silver and gold in proportion to their atomic weights, silver and gold in equal mass proportion, only silver or only gold. Let's move to the solution. So the current is same. Both metals are univalent, which is that they have same valence electrons and they have same concentrations of 0.1 mole. So they both will be deposited in the same proportions with respect to their equivalent weight or atomic weight. So the answer will be 1, which is both silver and gold will be deposited in proportions of their equivalent weight or atomic weight.